Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Nunchuk Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Nunchuk Wallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Nunchuk Wallet application. The home page of Nunchuk Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the profile section of your Nunchuk Wallet's account. Click on Account Settings option. On the next page, tap on Delete Account. From the pop-up, confirm deletion of your account by entering delete. Once you're done, tap on Confirm. A confirmation code will be sent to your email address for verification. Enter a confirmation code sent to your email address and tap on Confirm Account Deletion. It will delete your account in no time. This is how you can delete your Nunchuk Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.